Breaking down commas in non-defining relative clauses. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we will be diving into the fascinating world of English grammar, specifically focusing on non-defining relative clauses. One important aspect of this topic that often confuses many learners is the usage of commas to separate non-defining relative clauses. So buckle up and let's demystify this together. Before we talk about the role of commas, it's crucial to understand what non-defining relative clauses are. They provide additional information about something or someone, but this information is not essential to understand the sentence. These types of clauses are also known as non-restrictive or non-essential relative clauses. For example, consider the sentence, "My brother, who lives in Paris, is a famous chef." The clause, "who lives in Paris" is a non-defining relative clause, providing extra information about my brother. Now that we understand what non-defining relative clauses are, let's explore how commas come into play. Commas are used to separate non-defining relative clauses from the rest of the sentence. They are like signals, telling the reader that the information in the clause is additional, not essential. Revisiting our example, "My brother, who lives in Paris, is a famous chef." You can see the non-defining clause, "who lives in Paris" is set off with commas. If we remove the clause, the sentence, "My brother is a famous chef," still makes perfect sense. Many English learners often forget to use commas to separate non-defining relative clauses. This can lead to confusion for the reader, as the sentence may not be clear or easy to understand. For instance, if we write, "My brother who lives in Paris is a famous chef," without the commas, the sentence suggests that I have more than one brother, and I'm specifically talking about the one who lives in Paris. This changes the meaning of the sentence entirely. We hope this video helped you understand the usage of commas in non-defining relative clauses. Remember, commas are crucial to separate and highlight additional information in a sentence. They help in enhancing clarity and reducing ambiguity in your writing. Keep practicing, and soon you will master the art of placing commas in the right spots.